Assalamualaikum class 5. I hope you are doing great. So class, today is 27th of April 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Fine class? Okay. So yesterday we studied about the concept of multiplication of 6 digits by 2 non-zero numbers. Isn't class? Okay. So let's see. I have 4,8,2,0,1,6 multiply by 58. Okay? Multiply by 58. So who will tell me what is multiplicand and multiplier in it? Multiplicand कौन सा होता है and multiplier कौन सा होता है? I told you last time. Yes, think up. Yes, Abu Bakr, you tell me. Very good. The first number is multiplicand. Okay, जिसको हमने करना होता है. And this is multiplier, जिससे हम कर रहे होते हैं. Fine? Okay. Now, I am going to start from this side class, because as you know it is the rule of multiplication that we will always start from the right side. Now, 8 6 times. 8 6 times. Very good. 48. So I will write 8 here and 4 as a carry. Fine. Now again 8 1 times 8 1 times 8 and 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. Now I will write 2 because 2 is at unit place and 1 as a carry. Fine. Now next, which is 8 0 times. 8 0 times 0 and इसमें 1 ये add भी हो रहा है, so I will write 1 here. Fine class? Okay. Now again we have 8 into 2. 8 2 times 16. 2 digit number which is 16. So 6 is at unit place. So I will write 6 here and 1 as a carry. Fine. Now 8 8 times. Yes, Abdul Moaz, you tell me. 8 8 times. Very good. 64. 2 digit number and 1 is add करेंगे. So in the end we have 65. I will write 5 here and 6 as a carry. Isn't class? Okay. So 8 4 times 32. 8 4 times 32 and 32 plus 6 is 38. So I have 38. Fine. Now the next number which is 5. Next किसकी टर्न है? 5 की. So I will write multiplication sign below 8 because as you know when we have done with 1 digit number, so we will write multiplication sign. Okay, this is the rule of multiplication. अब हम क्या करेंगे? 5 के साथ करते हैं इसको मल्टीप्लाई होल को. 5 6 times 30. 5 6 times 30. So 0 is at unit place, so I will write 0 here and 3 as a carry. Fine. Now 5 1 times 5. 5 1 times 5 and इसमें 3 ऐड करेंगे, so 8. Fine. 8. Next 5 0 times 0 here and 1 as a carry. Fine. 5 8 times 40. 5 8 times 40 and 1 इसमें ऐड करेंगे so 41. 1 यहाँ पे and 4 as a carry. 2 digit number था so what is at unit place? 1. So we will write 1 below 8 and 4 as a carry. Isn't class? Okay. Now in the end we have 5 into 4. 5 into 4 which is equals to 20. So 20 plus 4 is 24. So I will write 24. Okay? This is how we can multiply 6-digit number by 2 non-zero number. Now in the end what we will do class? What we will do? Very good. We will add. We will add 1 by 1. Now because it is the rule of multiplication. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 8 is 9. Fine. Now 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 2 as it is. Okay? 2 as it is. So class, this is how we can solve multiplication of 6-digit by 2 non-zero numbers. Fine. So this is all related to previous lesson. Now I am moving towards today's lesson, which is division. In this lesson we will solve how we can divide a 6-digit by 2 non-zero numbers. Fine. So I have question number 12. Page number 15. Exercise number 1C and statement is perform the following divisions. Fine. I have a part in which 24 divided by 24 is divisor and 432 561 is inside the division. Okay, so last time class I told you what is dividend, what is divisor, what is quotient and what is remainder. Who will tell me this? Okay, so class, as I told you, inside the division sign the number is known as dividend. Fine. Dividend. And outside the number is known as divisor. जिससे हम डिवाइड करते हैं नंबर को is known as divisor और जिस पर हम डिवाइड करते हैं is known as dividend. Fine. जो हमारे पास यहाँ पे कोई आंसर आता है आंसर जो होता है is known as quotient. Okay. Or if we have some unleft number is known as remainder. Fine class? Okay. Now I am going to start. I have 4, 3, 2, 5, 61 and 24 is the divisor. Fine class? So as you know, the first digit inside the division is 4 and outside the division is 24. So 2-digit number है. So इसके लिए we will take, for this we will take 2-digit अब चेक करेंगे कि इसके नियरेस्ट कौन सा नंबर आता है. So 24 2 times is 2, 4 times 8 and 2 times 4, 48, which is bigger than 43. So I will take 1 time. Okay, 24 1 times 24. Now what is the next step class of division? Division का next step क्या होता है? Very good, subtraction. क्या होता है? Minus. So we will subtract here. It is not possible to subtract 3 from 4. So I will take carry from the next number, which is 4. So I have 13 in total and 3 is left. Fine. 13 minus 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 13 and subtract क्या करना है हमने? 4. 1 2 3 4 and how many are left class? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9. 13 minus 4 is 9. Fine class. 13 minus 4 is 9. Okay. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 19. If you look class, the divisor is 24. Okay? And the dividend is 19, which is smaller than 19. So I will bring down to here. Now this is 3-digit number and now it is bigger than 24. So I will again multiply the number 24 with 8. 8 2 times 32 and 8 2 times 16. 17, 18, 19, then 192. Fine class. 192. So should I take this? क्या मैं ले सकती हूँ? 24 8 times. 24 8 times. Now fine. Okay. So class, as you look class, we will divide exact as it is. So I will write 0 in the quotient. Okay, this is the rule. You have to listen to me very carefully. If you will divide 3 numbers at a time, so you will write 0 in the quotient. Fine. ये rule सबको समझ आ गए? Okay. Now I have 5. Okay, and 6 also. This 6 also. I will bring down 56. 2-digit number, because 24 is 2-digit number. So 24 2 times 48. So should I take 24 2 times 48? Yes. So I will write 2 times 48. Okay class? Now, is it possible to subtract 6 from 8? Class, क्या ये possible है कि हम जो है 6 में से 8 को subtract कर दें? No. 16. So 16 minus 8 is 8. Fine. And this one is as it is. I will bring down 1 as it is. Fine. 24 3 times. अब क्या करूंगी मैं? 24 का मैं टेबल पढ़ूंगी कि मेरे पास 81 के नियरेस्ट आ जाए. So I will read the table of 24. So as I know 24 2 times is 48, which is quite far. too far from 81. So I will read again the table of 24 and I will read 24 3 times, which is 3 4 times 12, 1 as a carry, 3 2 times 6, and this is 7. It is quite near to 81, yes. So 3 times 72. Now in next step we will subtract, isn't class? Okay, so is it possible to subtract 1 from 2? Is it possible? No. So we will take a carry. This will become 2-digit number, so 11 minus 2, which is equals to 9, which is equals to 9. Okay class, so in this part, अब ये देखो यहाँ पे 9 है, 1 digit number है, and in divisor we have 2 digit number. So we will stop here. We will stop here. हम इसको पॉइंट लगा के और आगे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, बट this method is known as, that method is known as long division. वो हम आगे जब जाएंगे तो उसमें करेंगे. अभी हमारे पास जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो यहाँ तक ये, which is we will stop here. So this is remainder. Fine, and this is quotient. This is dividend, and this is divisor. Fine. This is quotient, this is dividend, this is divisor, and this is remainder. So 18203 remainder 9. This is the way to write. This is the way to write the answer. Fine class. Now I am going to repeat this whole example. Just listen to me very carefully. I have question number 12 and the statement is perform the following divisions. Okay, so I have a statement in which perform the following division. Okay, as I told you, inside the division the number is known as dividend. Outside the division the number is known as divisor. Fine class? Okay, so I have 432 561 is dividend and I have 24 is divisor. So first of all, as I told you, I will take 2-digit number inside the division, which is 43, and I read the table of 24 to become nearest to 43. So 24 1 times 24, and when we will subtract 43 into 24, which is the rule of division, so I get 19. Fine. Now as you look, 19 2-digit number is smaller than 24, so I will bring down to here. Now this is 3-digit number. I will read the table of 24 again. So 24 8 times is 192. क्लास आपने याद रखने, जब हम एग्जैक्ट जो है 2 या 3 नंबर्स डिवाइड होते हैं या मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं, so we have 0 in the quotient. Fine, so I will write 0 here. Now I will bring down 5 below. So as I look, 5 is 1-digit number and smaller than 24, so I will write I will bring down 6 again. 2-digit number, so I will take 24 2 times, which is 48. Now I will cut subtract here and I got 81. So in the end I will read the table of 24 again and I get 72 in the end. In the end I have 9, which is single number. So that's why I will stop here, and 9 is known as remainder in this. Okay, and quotient is 18023. This is how we can solve 6-digit numbers how we can divide 6-digit number by 2 non-zero numbers. Okay class, ये सबको clear हो गई है? If you still find any difficulty related to divisions, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.